This is a dirty fish tank.
We're going to make it clean. Since I can't bring a fish tank like this into school, obviously, I'm going to go through step by step on how to clean it.
First, we got to take all the plants out of the tank. Excuse me, fishy. Look at all the fishies. They're hiding from me. And it's the last plant. Can't forget the 8-ball. I don't know why that's in there. After taking all the plants out, you have to rinse them. After everything's out, you gotta clean the glass. This could get dirty. See the difference between, there's a line there. After you clean the glass, you gotta take all the water out. Use a siphon. It's a siphon. Not anything else. This could be tricky. Alright. You're supposed to take 25% of the water out. And at the same time, you're going to clean the rocks. See all that stuff down there? That's ammonium, nitrate, and all the waste from the fish. From things they could eat or use your imagination. It's about 5 gallons there. This is the longest process cleaning a fish tank. You're supposed to empty out 25% of the water in the tank. I have an 80-gallon tank, so that'd be 20 gallons. This is bucket number 2, or 10 gallons. 15 and 20. Now you want to refill the tank. You want to make sure it's at about 76 to 78 degrees. Now you want to add the water back in little amounts. Now I gotta change the filters. Once the filters are back in, you need to add this. I bet some of you wish you had some of this when you were making your speeches. It's called stress coat. Believe it or not, fish get stressed too. And the last step is to put the plants back and make everything look nice. And finishing touch, the 8-ball. So, I'm a mess, but the tank is clean. That's how you clean a fish tank.